You know what really chaps me about this? I tried to siphon the $87 worth of gas I just put in last night before I hit the deer. I can't get the hose down the tube because there's too many bends in it. So yeah, I got a full tank of unleaded. Can't even use it.
Life finds a way.
Alright, well, I'm going to show you guys a little trick I taught myself now that I'm incredibly high on gas fumes. I kind of developed this on my own because I was only able to get about 5 gallons out of this tank before I could, the flow would just stop. I couldn't keep it flowing after about 5 gallons. So let me show you a quick tip. So if you guys can see, I got 2 lines going into the tank. One line, you follow it here, is going into my jerry can. The other line, see this line here, is going to my air compressor. So what I'm doing is I'm creating pressure inside the tank. I'll open the valve on this line, pushing air in, and then I'll cut my hand around the fuel tank inlet to create kind of a seal, and that will push the fuel that's in the tank out the line and into my transfer tank. So there you have it. Don't go breaking laws, but if you run into a situation like me and total your vehicle and you have a whole tank of gas, this is one easy way to do it. So there you go. You're welcome. Now you can look up my nose too.